Did you know that some people around the world hear a constant, low-frequency humming noise? This phenomenon, often called the hum, is typically described as a droning or rumbling sound. The source of the hum remains a mystery, despite numerous investigations and theories. Some suggest it might be related to industrial equipment, power lines, or even tinnitus. However, the hum is often localized, with only certain individuals able to perceive it. The hum can be incredibly distressing for those who experience it, affecting their quality of life. Researchers continue to study the hum, hoping to identify its origins and potential solutions. If you heard the hum, would you search for the source or try to ignore it?